In this video, you will learn how to get a business license in Colorado, decide on your business structure, choose whether your business will operate as a sole partnership, LLC, corporation, register your business, file your business with the Colorado Secretary of State, register your trade name if necessary, apply for an EIN number, obtain your employer identification number or EIN from the IRS for filing taxes and employee purposes. Determine state and local requirements. Colorado does not issue a statewide general business license. Licenses are issued at the city or county level. Apply. Apply for sales tax or special permits if you need to. If you're selling goods or taxable services, register for the Colorado Sales Tax License through the Department of Revenue. Submit application and pay the fee. File the necessary city, county, and state permits, application fees, and wait for approval. Now you know. Now you know how to get a business license in Colorado. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.